Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Verify you have an administrator account and recent backup, then boot into safe mode or WinRe to avoid repeat crashes. Once in, check the Windows build and whether the system is 64-bit versus 32-bit, so you use compatible drivers. Next, prepare a USB install media and open Device Manager. These first steps let you inspect drivers and event logs safely, and they set up everything you need to move to detailed repairs. Once done with initial steps, run the Windows memory diagnostic and, if possible, test RAM modules one at a time to isolate bad sticks. Then enable Driver Verifier for non-Microsoft drivers to force a controlled crash that identifies the culprit. Make sure to note any driver file names reported. Meanwhile, collect and open the Minidump files using WinDBG or Blue Screen View and cross-check event viewer entries, so you understand whether the issue is memory corruption. Now perform the fixes, uninstall or roll back the drivers identified, and then install the latest vendor-signed versions. Make sure to reboot between changes. Run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files, SFC/Scano and DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and verify stability. If crashes persist, reseat or replace RAM, swap slots, and test hardware. Troubleshooting tip. If a new driver or update triggers the crash, boot to safe mode and use system, restore to a point before the change, then block that driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.